How to remove my Facebook account from other devices. Welcome back. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you remove your Facebook account from other devices. If your Facebook account is logged into multiple devices, then you could simply follow these steps in order to remove it. So, open the Facebook app on your device, then click on the menu bar in the top right and go to the gear icon from the top right corner once again. Then you simply want to go ahead and click on see more in account center. Then here you want to scroll down a bit and you could actually go ahead and click on password and security. After you go to password and security, then you could go ahead and click on where you're logged in. So here you'll be able to find the account or devices that your account is logged in. If you want to remove from all of these devices, click on select devices to log out at the bottom of the page. Then simply go ahead and select the devices and click on logout. Then you'll be able to see this confirmation. If you're sure about it, click on logout. Now then, a verification code will be sent which you have to enter in, and as soon as you enter in that, your account will be removed from those selected devices. Likewise, the other thing you could also do is you could change your password. So this is going to help you out to log out from all the login device. So the password here, you need to go ahead and enter the current password first of all. Then you want to type in new, and once again for the confirmation, type in twice. As soon as you click on change password, all your account will be logged out from the devices that your account is logged in. This is how you do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.